Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore capital gains tax basics with H&R Block, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin understanding capital gains tax, familiarize yourself with basic terminology. Capital gains refer to the profit made from selling an asset. They are classified into two types, short-term and long-term. Short-term capital gains apply to assets held for 1 year or less. Long-term capital gains apply to assets held for more than 1 year. Next, gather your financial records for the year. Include all documents related to asset purchases and sales. This documentation will help you calculate your gains or losses accurately. Visit the H&R Block website or your local office to access their tools. You can use their tax calculators to estimate your capital gains. Start by entering the purchase price of the asset. Then, input the selling price of that asset. The software will automatically calculate your gain or loss. If you realize a gain, it will categorize it as either short-term or long-term. Remember that long-term gains often have lower tax rates. Once your calculations are ready, move to the tax forms section. You'll need to complete Schedule D for reporting capital gains. Consult H&R Block's resources for guidance on filling out the form. Make sure to include all necessary details about your transactions. After completing Schedule D, review your information carefully. Look for any missed entries or errors that could affect your tax situation. When satisfied, proceed to file your tax return with H&R Block. They offer various filing options, including online and in-person assistance. Finally, keep copies of all documents for your personal records. This ensures you have everything on hand in case of future inquiries. Understanding and managing capital gains tax can help you maximize your finances. Utilizing H&R Block's resources simplifies the process significantly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.